In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the park assist sensor bezel on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. I'm going to disconnect the connector on the sensor, just push down on the tab. I'm going to use a pick if I need to. There we go. Slide that off. And using a pick, I'm just going to go on the top of the sensor, just push the sensor out from the front just slightly. Just got that release from the locks, then you can grab the sensor. Slides out, be careful, don't drop it. Now using a pick, I'm just going to push on the little tabs and then push the bezel out. Take the new bezel. There is two little tabs on the bottom. You can see you line those up with the little grooves or little slots, and that locks in place. Take the parking sensor, line that up, and just lock that down. That's good. Now connect the connector and lock that down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.